Hey everybody, so I got a quick update on the flashlights from Autozone with the magnetic extensions with the flashlights on the end. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just a quick update from a previous video. I picked these flashlights up with a bunch of pipe and exhaust pipe and some other stuff from Autos. Actually, I think it was just the exhaust pipe. And these two, they actually, I had a problem with the silver one. I ended up going back the same night and I went to the Coolidge Autozone instead of Santan. They had a bunch of them. The lady was really nice. I showed her the receipt. She's like, oh yeah, find another one that isn't having issues. The other one was bent, and it was permanently bent like that. You couldn't get it to straighten. If you straightened it, it would it'd literally go right back to being crooked. This is actually a magnetic wand, and it has a belt clip, and at the very end, it's got like 3 inches of flex tube, and it's actually a magnet. It's got a magnet at the end. And it has the convenience of a little flashlight. And they're pretty bright. It takes, you just unscrew the head. It takes the LR44 batteries. It takes 4 of them. You put them in this little sleeve. It's pretty nice. I got one in silver and then the one in black. But yeah, it's just a quick update. AutoZone was great about the purchase and warranting out for me. I think I was in the AutoZone not even 2 or 3 minutes. She was really quick. She scanned the receipt. I grabbed another one. She scanned the next item and I walked out. No big deal. So I appreciate you guys' time. Please. Oh, and I took the stickers off. If I had the stickers still with the tags with the information, I'd give them to you, but I don't have them anymore. I threw them in the garbage. But appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.